Here's a little panorama of the Gunnison Gorge. Way down in the bottom of there is the Gunnison River. Well, I think this could be my last ride of the trip. I'm out here at Peach Valley OHV Recreation Area. But I'm not really going to ride the recreation area. I'm heading for Elephant Skin Road and then Smith Mountain Road. But this is a good staging spot for me to start and stop, so let's get riding. You talk to the locals and nobody comes out here this time of year because it's too freaking hot. But it's only about 75 degrees out right now. So I'm hoping as I leave this valley, I'm going to get into a little higher elevation. It's going to cool off a little bit. They say you do not want to be out here in the rain, because they call these the adobes, which I'm assuming is from adobe. So this is probably the stuff that people made adobe dwellings out of that last hundreds of years. They say it will get packed up in your motorcycle and it will turn to stone in the canyon of adobes. Oh yeah, we're going up. We were down in that valley before. Brought us up a little bit. That's actually the Black Canyon and the Gunnison National Park. I believe right on the other side of those ridges, or that the ridges might be in the park themselves. But hopefully we're going to get up in that area. Some pretty looking stuff. I'm afraid this is all the closer we're going to get on this trail, because it's heading back into the valley now. Well, I'm on Smith Mountain Road now, which was for quite a while a 50-mile-an-hour gravel road. Then it cut off. We're kind of heading up into the foothills here. It's getting a little more interesting. Well, I tell you, if I had to do it again, I would have left the Elephant Skin Road part out of this, because that was just kind of boring dirt road. Whoa! Serious rockage. We're rocking the rocks. Here in the middle of nowhere, there is bathrooms and everything. And there is the Gunnison Gorge. Cool. Alright, I'm going to take a little break over here in the shade. I got a nice little picnic table. And then we'll get back at it. Here's a little panorama of the Gunnison Gorge. Way down in the bottom of there is the Gunnison River. Well, it looks like this trail is going to take me right along this ridge for a while anyway. When I say I come up here for the views, I was watching some video from my Imogene Pass last night, and I think I saw more views there than I did when I was riding. I was so busy concentrating on that trail that sometimes you forget to stop and look around, see where you're at. That's a long way down there, man. That's a long way down. That is way cool though. And there's a motorcycle. How about that? And a side by side. Going off the ledge. Around the corner, over the rocks. We're still right up on this ridge though. If there's a spot I can get over to the edge. Through the trees. Yeah, we're still up here. Am I still recording? I still am recording. That's a good thing. Otherwise, I was, instead of talking to you guys, I would have been talking to myself. Oh, look at that. Here's an even better spot. Yep. Completely different kind of landscape. See the road. Oh yeah. And the line says turn. But I think we got to go up there just because it's here. Walk right out here to the precarious edge. That is so far away. Let's walk over here. See what there is on the other side of the mountain. The other side of the mountain, there was all that he could see. Rugged landscape. I would not want to be stranded out here. We're still up on the ridge. Oh man, we are going up. We are going way up. Going here. This is loose gravel. tell you, I found a website for Jeep, and they actually have downloadable tracks for areas all over the place, and that's how I found this. I mean, I would have no idea this was here. And I can just download these tracks, load them onto my GPS, and I don't have to worry about getting lost. I just follow the pink line. But yeah, pretty much everywhere I've been, I've had a track to take me there. That's B gully here. So that makes it a lot less stressful when you're out here in the middle of nowhere. The last thing you want to do is drive 20 miles the wrong direction. Like right here. Where do I go? Well, I go this way. That was another way to go. I don't know where that goes, but I know this will get me where I wanted to be. This takes a lot of the weight off. So far, that's another thing. This Garmin Zumo XT motorcycle version has been great. I mean, it shows a lot of the little off-side trails that come along. So if you did want to come to just an area like this and just explore, you definitely could. Set yourself up a main track, and then I can also record tracks on here. So if I do go off on a side trail and realize I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere, I have no idea where this is going, I can turn right around and follow my track right back to where I was. So it is the off-road guy's friend, that's for sure. Panoramic vistas up here. Kind of see everywhere. We're going up. Once again, sometimes I look at those things and they look like, oh boy. And you just tell yourself, you're going up. You're not stopping. And you just keep your momentum going, and lo and behold, before you know it, you're right up there at the top. Well, we are out of the bushes and into the sagebrush. Okay, folks, we're going down in the canyon, looks like. Time to get some focus on. Boy, those rocks can kick you sideways so fast. Cool outcropping coming off the side of the hill here. Oh, there's a river down there. I don't think that's the Gunson. Maybe it is the Gunson. Maybe it wraps around. Lots of ledgy drop-offs here. Up a little speed here, get some air flowing over my body. It is hot down here. Woo! Cottonwood Grove Campground. Huh. I'll be danged. Some people fishing down there. See if we can catch somebody pulling one in. Oh, they got some rapids they're going to be going through there. Oh yeah, there's quite a few people down here. That's good to see. Oh, that river looks inviting, let me tell you. I think I'm going to go down here and stick my hand in it. Hopefully I don't fall in the river. Yeah, it's cool, but boy, I think you could get used to it really quick. I see lots of minnows. That must mean there's river life. Riding down alongside the river here now. Oh man, that looks nice and cool in that little inflatable raft there. Some rapidy rapids. Oh, there's tons of people on this river. Looks like we're going to climb our way out of the canyon now. Leave the river behind. Hopefully nobody's coming down. We say goodbye to the river. Bye, river. I found Peach Valley Road, which I know I have been on. That was part of one of the trails I was on. It's heading in the right direction. It should take me back to Peach Valley off-road vehicle area. Well, we made it back to Peach Valley, and there's Vanna, sitting waiting. How far did we go? 68 miles. That's a fair amount of riding. Bet you it's warm in the van. Oh, look, there I am. Hi, everybody. Well, I finished my Smith Mountain ride, and that was pretty cool. That was well worth it. I would have left out the elephant skin section of it because that was just kind of boring gravel roads, but gotta get that thing on the back of the van. We're getting all packed up. It's about 90 degrees here right now. We're in the middle of the desert. That's what it feels like. But they got a pretty cool place here at Peach Valley. They've got an actual enduro course over here, so you can practice all that crazy stuff that nobody should know how to ride. Got a little track over there, and then there's more trails and giant hills than you can shake a stick at. But we're gonna pack up here, and we're going to head into Montrose and see if I can find a headlight bulb for my van. I have a headlight out, which doesn't normally come into play because I don't drive at night anyways, but I suppose I should get it fixed if I can. So anyways, catch you guys later.